Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas and the back of the set never left. She's so bad, hit the chain, hit the black. Hit the gas and the back of the set never left. She's so bad, hit the chain, hit the black. Hit the gas and the back of the set never left. She's so bad, hit the chain, hit the black. Hit the gas and the back of the set never left. She's so bad, hit the chain, hit the black. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit.
So the hoist is just a regular hoist that I modified to span a bigger distance. The cables are just an 1/8 inch cable. The hanger brackets are from some kind of exercise equipment, so they should hold up. And these bluish purple wheels, whatever they are, those are rollerblade wheels. And the water bottles are filled with sand, and they're just like a counterweight to keep the cables tight whenever it exceeds its limit, its travel distance. And on there is just also some wheels from an old chair that I cut grooves in, same as those rollerblade wheels, just cut grooves in there to fit the cable. And yeah, these brackets, I mean, yeah, the wheel could fail, but then the bolt would stop it, and then the bolt could fail, and then the piece of metal would stop it. So there wouldn't really be a catastrophe, I hope. And even if there is, it could be a good day to die. And the hole itself is basically just chop, cut at your own risk. So hopefully you know what you're doing. As long as your cables are good and solidly mounted, you shouldn't really have any problems. But it's all on you if you build what? It's a big spider. I got my fly swatter here. Why, you little son of a... You dirty rat. Damn it! Safety's on. You don't bloody well messed with a poor rat! Go Whistling Diesel! He's got a tank! Clean up aisle 1. The deck itself basically is filled up with insulation. It's made out of plywood, a couple layers on the bottom and one on top of the deck. Put together with plywood and stuff. The other side's virtually the same deal. Insulated. Cables run in here somehow. Then they get tied in way over here in the middle. They run out from over there through the wood inside a metal tube. They come out over here. They join in the middle. So the cable comes there through here with a curved tube that heads inward. And it comes down there over here and ties on here to a giant leg bolt, or whatever you call it, eye bolt, and it makes it adjustable, held on with a lock nut. And the opposite one is heading the other way. Same deal, other side.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But
decide by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside